In this optional test problem, you are tasked with using custom unit cells to add a lattice infill to the inner body of this bracket and a texture to the outer faces. Let's begin with our infill lattice. First, we created this skewed box and used its bounding box property as the domain of our custom unit cell. Then we added a rectangular cell map to the inner body of our bracket. After this, we used a periodic lattice block, adding our unit cell and our cell map with no parameters since this is an implicit unit cell. Then we trimmed our lattice using our inner body, and we're left with this lattice infill. To create our custom texture, we used another custom unit cell block, this time creating a cone. And instead of using that cone's bounding box property, we created our own bounding box, which spanned further than the domain of this cone. Since we wanted to texture multiple CAD faces, we used a mesh from CAD body to mesh our stitched CAD. Then we quadrangulated the mesh and used a cell map from quad mesh block to create our cell map. We used this cell map along with our custom unit cell in a periodic lattice and generated this texture. Finally, we used a Boolean union block to union our outer body, our infill lattice, and our texture.